Hey everybody, John Stovall, MarineMax Lake Lanier. You join me once again on a 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This boat's pretty awesome. This boat's very well appointed. It does anything you want it to do. We call it SUV on the water for a lot of reasons. Starting in the bow. The bow is huge. The beam is carried all the way forward on the SDX line, so get a lot more room up here to sit a lot of people. This boat is not optioned with the tables, but you could get a teak table up here, mount it, and have a nice place to put hors d'oeuvres, play cards, whatever it is that you want to do out in the water. Follow me further back. New for 2025 is the rounded windshield on the SDX line. It looks awesome, really adds to the lines of the boat. You got twin Simrad glass dash, double wide helm seat. That also converts, and the other side converts too, so you get a lot more space in the cockpit. Right behind Jen here is the head with a nice stainless steel sink and the option to put cushions in there and turn it into a small berth if you really wanted to. Follow me on back. Again, huge cockpit, huge bimini top. It's one of the best coverages in the industry. If you notice, most of the cockpit, if not all of it actually, is covered not only by the bimini top, but also by the windshield coverage as well. So anybody that's sitting back here is going to get a lot of wind protection as well. Moving back to the sun pad, this guy flips, so you have a convertible sun pad. Huge place to lay out. Coming through the cockpit into the transom, you have a Sea Ray staple of the cooler right here in the walkthrough. So when you're out swimming, it's easy access to drinks. And a door for furry friends and small ones. Huge storage on the back for all your batteries and your battery switches. And then my favorite feature on the Sea Rays now is the manual's fold down swim step, easy access, easy deploy, with a ladder as well to get in and out of the boat. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this. My name is John Stovall, MarineMax Lake Lanier. Come find us at www.marinemax.com.